Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This vehicle does have the 5.7 liter. Also over here you have your XM radio, AM and FM. Down here you do have your heated seats and then your heated steering wheel, your heat and AC controls. And then down here you have your trailer brake controller, traction control, tow haul, and then you have your rear and front park assist that just alerts you if you're getting too close to something in front of you or behind you. And then this does slide back and forth. This is your shifter right here. It does have the floor liners. Also, this is your buttons that control the dash of what you want on the tip up there. Also, you have your cruise controls and then your gear shifter. You do have power adjustable pedals. The buttons for that are going to be right there. If we take a look on the outside color is gray. It does have the turn signal indicator right up here. Also, you do have running boards and then black wheels. This vehicle does have a soft tonneau cover. It does have the dual exhaust. It does have the Line-X spray and bed liner. This is what the back seat looks like. It is cloth and it is like a lightish gray. That is all I have on this Ram. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.